Unlock your potential at HQL EDUTECH. Join a community of ambitious learners. Inclusivity at its best, HQL EDUTECH welcomes all. Learn and grow together, freshers, professionals, and more. Master Java Full Stack, the building blocks of innovation. Master AI with Python skills and take your career to the next level. Build your AWS cloud skills with AWS training and certification. Transform your career with our experts and become a DevOps engineer today. Master.net with this all-inclusive course that teaches you from the fundamentals to the expert skills. Unleash your creativity with Angular full-stack development. Become a software testing expert, ensuring quality and reliability. Learn from the best, industry-seasoned trainers. Real-time programming in real-time environment. Guidance from experts, nurturing talent, shaping careers. Bridging the gap between theory and practice. Hands-on experience, building applications that matter. Turning concepts into real solutions. From classroom to the workplace, ready to shine. From training to placement, your journey to success. Building bridges with industry leaders. Partnered with renowned companies, your pathway to success. Certify your skills, credentials that set you apart. Ongoing support for lifelong success. Contact 809-911-4345 or 897-751-2124. HQL EDUTECH, empowering careers, igniting possibilities, www.hqledutech.com.